Good morning. This is the look for today for the pool because we ain't doing nothing else. We only got a few days left here, and I'm very glad because the pastor is weird and I'm over it. This nigga gonna tell Savannah that he seen me vaping or he knows that I vape, which is crazy work because y'all know a bitch only smoke weed. And I haven't had that here, so I ain't no bitches vaping. But anyhow, he's weird and I'm over it. But this is the look. Sandals, baby suits. Yeah, get into it.
Yeah. Yes, I'll marry you. I do. Yes, I'll marry you. I do. This is so banging. I can make this twice a week at the house.
Oh my God, the food is so good. Say hi to the best bartender in Belize.
Hey guys,
Your name?
my name is Sean.
All right.
This is Good Stays.
Good stays. Best bartender. Always keep us tight. Always have straws. When he's not here, the place is in shambles. I swear it was. That's one.
That's what Satan wants. That's just exactly in his playbook. Just to get me off course. Tonight, if you're here tonight, you're going through a situation that you yourself do not understand. And you have no answer for it. And God is not answering you. I want to say this to you. He's behind the scene. He's right there with you. He's right there with you. But sometimes he allows these things to happen for where he's taking you in life. You gain an experience. How can you tell me about something that you have never experienced? How can you? And so God, in his infinite wisdom, his ways, and all that you can think about, he allows things to happen in your life and mine. But he has his hand on us. Tonight, I can tell you that I know for a fact that God has his hand on me. Even when I question it, even when I have little doubts if he's with me, before the day is over, something happens that I can say, that was the hand of God. That was God. And so, when I think about the book of Job, when I think about Job's life, it encourages me, and should encourage you as well, to see how Job handled the situation. Even though he has been accused falsely, family taken away, his wealth taken away, even his health tampered with, yet he remained faithful, trusting God. Verse 15 is the one that touched me. He's saying, though he slay me, yet will I hope in him. That's a man of hope. That's a man who has all trust in God. Believing that God, even though he's not hearing from God, God is with him. And if God, you're going to slay me, then do it. Let it be. I will still have hope in you, God, because you're God. Can you do that? Can you say that tonight? Can I say that tonight, that even though I know, God, you're going to take my life away, even though I know you're going to, I still place my hope in you? Can I stand here tonight and tell you that I can say that to you? Say that to God? It's very hard. It's hard for me to do that. But Job gives me courage. The life of Job gives me courage to know that all that he have experienced and he went through, it shows us that God has been there with him. Now, indeed this will turn out for my deliverance, for no godless man would dare come before him. Meaning that if you know in your heart of hearts that you're messing around, that there's some sin in your life, would you dare go to God and tempt him, or dare him, and say, God, tell me, God, examine? He's saying you would not do that. We won't do it. But Job now, knowing in his heart that he is innocent, there's nothing that they are accusing him about. It could be farther from the truth. Listen carefully to my words. Job is saying to them. Let your ears take in what I say. Now that I have prepared my case, I know, here it goes again. Now that I have prepared my case, now that I have said all that I have to say, I know that God will vindicate me. He didn't say that Zophar and what's the other, Eliphaz and the other guy whose name is going to vindicate him. He says, God will vindicate him. That's what matters, Sister Lydia. That's what matters, Brother Dennis. That's what matters, Brother Joe. God is the one who's going to vindicate you. God is the one who has the last say in your life. It's not man. It doesn't care what they have to say or what they think about you. It's what God thinks about you or what He has to say about you. And when we walk with that ammunition or that, I'm trying to find the word. I see you have it on your lips, Pastor Mertis, but I'll get it. No problem. I'll get it. It gives us the confidence to know that we have God on our side. And He has the last say in your life and mine. And He's the one who's going to say, well done, thou good and faithful servant.
It is officially Sunday. We is out of here, okay? I got my airport plane pillow ready because I'm ready to go. And yes, we're out of here. So glad. I'm about to have so much American food, so much good food, so much chill time, TV, air conditioning that don't require a fan. Yes. I'm so ready. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see my baby. I know he missed me, even though he would never say it. I love you some here because you too much. Yes. About to hit the road. Mm. Mm. I'm excited. Oh, I got my Savage X out. Fancy outfit on. About to piss the preacher off. On the way. Choo choo, yay.